Imagine WhatsApp not just as a messaging app, but as a battlefield for AI chatbots. That's exactly what's happening in Brazil right now. Meta, the company behind WhatsApp, is now letting rival AI companies offer their chatbots on the platform for a fee. This comes just a day after a similar announcement was made for Europe. The shift isn't just a business decision, it's a response to regulators. Brazil's antitrust agency, CADE, rejected Meta's appeal to block a previous order that aimed to stop third-party AI chatbots on WhatsApp. CADE argued that banning these chatbots could stifle competition, especially given WhatsApp's dominant position in Brazil's messaging market. According to the tribunal, such a ban would not be proportionate and could harm users by limiting innovation. Meta's response is clear. The company will let third-party AI chatbot providers use its WhatsApp Business API to deliver their services. Starting March 11th, companies in Brazil will pay $625 per non-template message. While it may sound like a small fee, developers warn that costs could add up quickly if these AI chatbots are used at scale. Meta explained that its Business API wasn't originally designed for AI chatbots, and these systems can put extra strain on their infrastructure. The debate highlights a bigger question. Should a tech giant that owns a dominant messaging platform also control which AI tools users can access? Meta itself offers its own AI chatbot, Meta AI, inside WhatsApp. Critics argue that letting only Meta's AI thrive while restricting competitors creates an uneven playing field. That's why companies like Zapier filed complaints with CADE. Zapier celebrated the ruling, emphasizing the importance of competition and user choice. They argued that platforms should remain open to foster innovation, and they plan to continue challenging restrictions in other parts of Latin America. This ruling could set a precedent for how other countries regulate AI access on major messaging platforms. For users, this could mean more options and more advanced AI tools directly inside the apps we use every day. Imagine being able to compare multiple AI assistants on WhatsApp, each with different strengths, instead of being limited to just one. The competitive pressure could push innovation faster, giving businesses and consumers better experiences. For Meta, the change isn't just about following rules, it's also a test. How will the company adapt its policies in Brazil? How will developers respond to the fees? And what does this mean for the future of AI integration in messaging apps globally? These are questions the tech world will be watching closely. If you're following AI, messaging platforms, or tech regulations, this is a story worth keeping an eye on. The decisions made here in Brazil and Europe could influence how AI tools are offered on major platforms around the world. Before we move on, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with which AI chatbot you'd be most excited to try on WhatsApp. Your engagement helps me bring more updates on tech and AI straight to you. Remember, this isn't just about a company changing its policy. It's about the power of competition, regulation, and innovation coming together to shape the tools we use every day. For users in Brazil, it could mean more choice, more features, and a better AI experience. For developers, it's a chance to enter a huge market while navigating new challenges. Don't forget to check out the related video right here in the corner for more insights on how AI is changing messaging apps and the tech landscape. Stay informed, stay ahead, and be part of the conversation shaping the future of AI in our daily lives. Take action today. Explore new AI tools, support innovation, And always keep asking how technology can work better for you.